In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Semrush API in just 5 minutes. Now, for those who might not be familiar, the Semrush API is a powerful tool that allows you to access data directly from Semrush, automating many tasks related to search engine optimization. It's particularly beneficial for businesses that want to leverage detailed SEO insights without manually navigating through the interface. Do keep in mind, though, that the API is generally available as an add-on to the business tier of the SEO Toolkit subscription. So first, make sure your Semrush subscription includes API access. To kick things off, you'll want to open your favorite web browser. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or any other, it doesn't matter. They will all get the job done. In the search bar, simply type in Semrush and hit enter. It should be the first link that pops up. Click on that link and you'll be brought to the Semrush homepage. Once you're on the Semrush website, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find an account icon. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will want to select Subscription Info. This is where you'll be able to view details pertaining to your subscription, including those all-important API access details. Now that you're in the Subscription Info page, your next step is to locate the API Units tab. This information can often be found in the navigation menu on the left side of the subscription page, or sometimes as a tab under your subscription overview. Look around if you don't see it straight away, as the layouts can occasionally change depending on updates. Clicking on this API Units tab will take you to a section specifically dedicated to API details. In this section, you'll find your unique Semrush API key displayed prominently. This is the key that allows you to access Semrush data programmatically. Take a moment to jot it down or copy it using your device's clipboard. We all know how important it is to safeguard such sensitive information, so make sure you store it somewhere secure. And remember, treat this key like a password. Don't share it with anyone you don't trust. And there you have it. You're now equipped to integrate the Semrush API into your workflows, powering up your SEO tasks with automated flair. Spend some time experimenting with the data you can pull via the API, and explore the wealth of insights to supercharge your marketing efforts. Keep an eye on your usage, as API calls may be limited based on your subscription plan. Happy data digging, everyone!